Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best dehumidifier. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for an entry-level option, or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the dehumidifier in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best dehumidifier on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the Frigid 35 pint dehumidifier. If you're only dealing with a little moisture in a bathroom or other confined space, for example a home office in a finished basement, you can save money without sacrificing comfort with a small capacity dehumidifier like this 35 pint unit from Frigid. This dehumidifier was a top pick in our tests because it has so many simple, helpful features that make it easy for daily use. A digital readout helps you monitor the current humidity and customize how much moisture you want in the air. A red light indicates when the bucket needs a change, or you can connect a hose for continuous drainage. When it comes to maintenance, we found it easy to access the reservoir bucket since it's right in the front of the unit. The bucket's built-in carrying handle means you can hoist it up and empty the water down a drain or into the yard with less effort. For a win-win, you can repurpose the water you've pulled out of the air to water your plants. The dehumidifier's cord wraps around hooks on the back for easy storage, and the side handles and wheels make it a breeze to move this 40-pound dehumidifier around on both hardwood floors and carpeting. Although the manufacturer doesn't list the square footage the unit can handle, it claims to be appropriate for a medium room. And in our tests, we found that it could handle more than that. A potential drawback with this Frigid is that, while it comes with a hose for continuous draining, there's no onboard pump to send water to an elevated drain source like a utility sink or nearby window, one reviewer notes. The highest fan setting may also be loud in a small room. If your humidity level is on the lighter side, Frigid offers an even smaller 22 pint capacity version for $199. If you've got high humidity to fight, the larger 60 pint version for $499 before sales might be the best option for you. Coming at number 4, Honeywell 50 pint dehumidifier. For large, wet spaces, like an unfinished basement where moisture collects on the floor and walls, you need a dehumidifier that can remove at least 50 pints of water per day from the air. This Honeywell, the largest in our test, can handle as much as 70 pints. Despite its powerful compressor, it carries the Energy Star label, so it will help keep both moisture levels and electricity costs in check. The Honeywell was also one of the easiest dehumidifiers to take apart and clean, thanks to its accessible front-facing bucket with a handle, says one Good Housekeeping reviewer. Plus, we found the interface and digital controls to be clear and intuitive. In addition to its exceptional performance in our water removal test, the Honeywell's accurate humidistat helps it maintain steady humidity levels, and it includes an onboard pump, so you can continuously drain water vertically or horizontally, up to 15 feet. All that stellar performance comes at a cost. The Honeywell is an expensive model. It's also fairly bulky and on the noisy side, so it's best suited to basements or other isolated parts of the home, as opposed to your bedroom or family room. Number 3, Frigid 50 pint. Dehumidifier, white moisture removal capacity between 40 and 50 pints per day, tends to be the sweet spot for dehumidifiers, our experts say, since those models offer the best combination of value, performance, and efficiency. This 50 pint unit from Frigid is the perfect case in point. It did an excellent job of drawing moisture from the air in our test area. Plus, it has great usability features from intuitive controls and an accessible water bucket to a washable air filter. You'll pay a premium for this Frigid, but one feature in particular makes it worth the splurge for many homeowners. The onboard pump enables you to continuously drain water from the bucket to a location up to 15 feet away, including a utility sink or other elevated spot. On the downside, the dehumidifier is not suited for spaces that get below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, since it lacks a frost control sensor, a feature found on other dehumidifiers that automatically shuts the unit off whenever ice crystals start to form on its coils. That's why we like this model for living spaces, such as a family room or bedroom, as opposed to a chilly basement, says one reviewer. Coming at number 2, Midea 35 Pint Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier from Midea, a reputable manufacturer in the category, comes in under $250, while still being able to clear humidity out of 3,000 square feet of space. Based on our experts' experience with similar Midea models, we expect the unit to do a superb job removing up to 35 pints of moisture from the air per day, with minimal noise from the motor or fan. Its auto defrost function means it's safe for use in basements or other cold rooms. If you're dealing with a mid-size area under 1,000 square feet that gets damp, but not wet, this medium-capacity unit is a very solid option, one reviewer says. The 33-pound dehumidifier sits on wheels for easy transportation from room to room. Though at nearly 25 inches tall, it's fairly bulky, so you might want to consider a more compact unit if you're looking to dry out a smaller space. In past reports, our experts tested Midea's Cube 20-pint dehumidifier and found it to be an excellent option. The only issue is that it's been a little harder to find this season, but keep an eye out for it if your goal is a compact unit that packs plenty of dehumidifying power. Number 1. GE Appliances 50-pint dehumidifier with pump. This feature-rich GE came out on top for performance and versatility in our tests, making it the best choice for most situations. For starters, our testers were impressed by how effectively the 50-pint unit pulled water from the air, especially on its highest fan setting. Since the GE can remove moisture in a space up to 4,000 square feet, this durable pick is ideal for tackling widespread dehumidification. For instance, if your entire house feels too humid during a particularly wet season, this is a great solution. Weighing in at 44 pounds with a large housing, the dehumidifier is one of the bulkier units from our tests, but its wheels and handle made it easy to transport during our usability tests. It's also well suited to basements, the most common area for dehumidifier use. The built-in pump means you can drain out a window or into an elevated sink up to 16 feet away, and the auto defrost features will prevent the coils from freezing if the temperature dips below 32 degrees F. As for operation, our testers say the LED controls are easy to read. If you choose not to use the pump, you can either attach a hose for continuous drainage or empty the reservoir after it fills. It alerts you when the bucket is full. Just keep in mind that, while continuous pumping is a nice convenience, it will show up in higher electricity bills, one reviewer notes. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best dehumidifier. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.